Shams of Tabriz once said, "The way you see God is the way you see yourself." If you see God full of love and compassion, that's what you are. And if you see God judgmental and punishing, that's a reflection of you. Recently, I was reflecting on it a lot, not in a term of fate, but the way we manifest. What if we are not manifesting from the deepest desire, but we are manifesting from who we think we are and what we deserve? I never ask myself where my desires comes from, not in a level of goals, but that deep desire, what I'm chasing. What if it's not from the place of clarity, and it's from the wound and place of lack? If you ever manifested something, love, money, peace, but you are thinking there is still something missing. Maybe it's not about your goal, but it's about the place you started to manifest, the person you've been when you are manifesting, and it's mostly who you will be when you achieve it. Many of us, we grow up with seeing people struggling, our family, friends, communities. And at one point we understood life could be really hard. And deep inside, perhaps we decided, we told ourselves, we are not going to be like them. But the twist is, we are still manifesting abundance from the place of fear. We are still trying to run from something, not to reach to something else. That's why it feels never enough. Is our vision built on freedom or built on fear of not repeating the past? That's a question that I kept asking myself. We manifest money, but what we really want is security and dignity. We manifest love, but what we want is to convince ourselves, to prove to ourselves that we're worth it, that for once we can be the chosen one. Manifestation is a very powerful tool, but it starts with knowing what will be the version of us after when we achieve our goal. That vision that we have, we cannot manifest something without knowing what will happen when we achieve it. Often we think we are manifesting from clarity, but we are manifesting from the place of fear, that version of us that we wanted to escape from, what we inherited. The things that started to change when I stopped asking myself what I want. Instead, I asked myself who I want to become. And it's all about identity. Manifestation is a very powerful tool, but you need to create a space in your mind to be able to visualize it. We heard many times that we should visualize and live the version of ourselves that we want to become. But how we can know that? How we can understand who we want to be? Manifestation, it works like a reverse engineering. To understand who you want to be, you should be able to deconstruct it, deconstruct your life, understanding the pattern of your life, your responsibilities, your fears, your habits, what are not aligned with a person and version of you that you want to live and you want to become after when you achieve your goal. Because that version already exists in you, buried under survival mode and fears. You need to create a space in your mind, declutter your mind, the space for that version of you to come out, because you can't fake it until you make it. You need to have a clear vision. When you understand what is your identity, you're not begging universe to give you your goal. You're co-creating with universe, and you will see that universe will respond to you much more clearly, because you already have that clear version of who you want to become after when you achieve your goal. So maybe it's not about dreaming big, it's about dreaming more clear. Maybe it's not about what you want. It's not about your desire. It's about where that desire comes from. Maybe it's about how do you visualize it. If you don't know the version that you want to become, you'll not be able to visualize it clearly. Maybe it's about meeting that person who is already existing in you. And if it sparks something in you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who maybe need it. And I see you next time.